Hi guys, let's do the custom range slider. The result will look like this or similar to this. Okay, so three files, index, style, and script.js here. This is just for checking if it's working. So if it's working, it shall print this word. Oh, okay, so let's start with this one. Okay, so when you want to get this one, you just click here. It will be, let me do it for you. Okay, so you go to the extension and press live server. I choose this one. If you want the other one, then it's your choice. Okay, and then I'm gonna go live and it's gonna create here. So when you type something and save, it's gonna come out here. Yeah, actually it's supposed to be. Okay, then let's start it with creating a div. This one I will name it a container. Then inside container we have another. I'm gonna call it a display value. This would be like 0%, something like that. And another one is input types range. Min 0, max 100. And it should show up like this. And we're going to make it center. Container here. Display flag. And first, I'm going to make it display as a grid. And then okay. And flag wrap. Oh, no. It's supposed to be flag direction. I'm going to use column and then align item center. Now it's center and then I put a little bit of gap. It would be 20 pixels, something like that. And then I would change the font. So let's go to Google Font and then choose a font that you like. So in this case, I'm going to choose this one, Montserrat Alternate. Oh, maybe. And then I'm going to choose 600 here. Select it and click it here. We're going to import it. So we copy and paste it in here. Remove the style tag because in this case we already separate our CSS file. And when we're using it, just copy it down below here and paste it here. Okay, and just to see the result, we're gonna save. Now it's turning that way. And let's say I want the font size to be 1.5 rem. This will be based on the default size of the platform that you use, I think. Yep. And next thing we're gonna do is about the slider. I forgot to put a range here. Class slider and another ID just for the sake of JavaScript. This one also. Display. Okay. Now what we're going to say is slider. We're gonna make it disappear using WebKit appearance and none. Now the slide bar is disappear, and another one. Wait. WebKit slider thumb. Here's what we're going to talk about, and we're gonna make it disappear as well. That's the default one. Appearance none. Okay, now it's all gone. First, we have to put the width and height. So here I'm gonna use around 40 wheel width and height around maybe 20 pixels. Now you can see that there is some slight changes there, but let's put some background color so we can see clearly. Okay, here is our slide bar, but we can't use this because we're gonna make it for the other moving, like the slide bar should go the same way as the value it show. So we're gonna use background and linear gradient to right, or you can choose whatever you like. And then let's say I'm gonna put green first, and then start at 30%, or default usually 50, and then white 50%. And when we save it, it's going to be here. So this is going to be just static, and I'm going to use okay, so this look much easier. And green, we're going to turn it to purple or something like that. Okay, then now we have this, and maybe a little bit gray is easier. Oh, that's too dark. Let's make it lighter. Okay, then we're gonna put the border radius. I'm gonna use around here. Maybe you can change it, or 15 would be great. And then same as above, we're gonna use the height is 20, so we're gonna choose 40, or the height, the width above is 40. So it should be 40 and 40 pixels. And the color here, we can use a background color. Let's say pink. Now it showed up a little bit darker pink would be here, and saved it. Nope, that not. Yeah, somewhere around here. And then border radius as you want. Maybe here I'm gonna choose 100 pixel. It's going to turn circle. That's the way if you want it. But gonna use this one anyway. 15. Okay. Now it is that one, but you see that? There's no cursor. Like the cursor is not changing, so we're gonna put cursor pointer. Now it's better with a user experience. Okay, now we're gonna deal with this and this background color. Okay, so we start with display. No. Start with slider. Document dot get element by ID, and then choose slider. Okay, another one is the display. So I'm gonna make it document dot get element by ID too, and this one going to be from a display. So what it should be is that display dot inner HTML should be equal to slider dot value plus percent. Boop. Now it's come 50, but if I change it, there's nothing following. So let's try this way. Slider dot on input. Oops, not this one. Okay, we're gonna use a function. Boop. Then use the same thing here. Boop. You can change it or not. It's the same result, I would say. Now the number is changing according to the slide bar. Okay, next is about the background. So we're gonna use display. No, it's the slider. Slider dot style dot background is equal to the one that we just did. Is supposed to be here. So just in case. Whoop. And then what we're going to change it here is make it into a string and change the number here, here, and here. So change it with plus this dot value plus then another, I don't know what this is called, okay, but this shall work here. So that's the end.